Eh, Oga, I just dey observe say your engine light dey on since. Come make I show you. Why you
Okay.
like no? Oga Jide, this light don dey on since na.
Me sef I don dey see am things, but that one no mean anything.
Oga Jide, who tell you say you no mean anything? Okay, Oga Beno first, so make I ask you this question. If your wife don dey call you since morning and you no answer, shey that one no mean anything?
That one mean. E mean.
Okay, what if your landlord don dey give you warning letter and you no answer? That one sef no mean anything?
That one sef mean.
See Oga, make I tell you, all this light wey dey your dashboard no be for decoration. Eh? Abeg, your motor e don dey cry for help. You no dey answer am.
But wetin make I do now?
Hey, see question wey Oga Jide dey ask. Oga, the only solution na to fix this motor. We go fix this motor. If not, this motor go fix you for road one day.
Oga Meko, all these things wey you talk don turn money. If I do all these things, wetin go remain for my pocket?
Yeah.
Oga Jide, see make I tell you, wetin go remain for you na peace of mind, happiness, joy, and even long life. Oga Jide, if you no fix this motor, one day, na towing van dey go take carry you and this motor comot for road.
Then if you want me to do all these things, reduce the price for me so that I can go ahead.
Oga Jide, you get this money, spend am. Spend am. See Oga Jide, if I reduce the price for you, oya tell me, shey the problem wey dey dis your motor go reduce? No now.
Ah. Oh my God.
So,
Do am.
wan fix am? You agree say make I do am?
Go ahead.
Better na. I dey come, I go call my apprentice, make I bring all my tools. 100. Boulos, mama, come.
So my people, the advice wey we get for una be say,
Don't ignore dashboard warning light.
because
It fit be your final warning.